but in the genitive because it comes after hun. Okay.
What does the hun mean?
Hun means to or towards. In this sentence, at least. Okay. Yeah. And then to say you gave him an invitation to your apartment. Hog tu kura hun darasando. Okay. And he invited him to his apartment. Hog shikura huna arasando. And then when she invited him to her apartment, Hog shikura huna harasando. So you notice the difference between those two. The one when it's his apartment, it's a ara sign, and her apartment, a hara sign. Okay. And then we invited him to our apartment. Hogmij kura hunar nara sign though. Okay. And y'all invited him to your apartment. Hogshib kura hun were nara sign though. Okay. And they invited him to their apartment. Hogshid kura hun nara sign though. Yeah. So how would you say they invited me to their apartment? Dom. Okay, so the do part there is telling you who's getting the invitation, and so dom would be to me. Okay, how about going back to the first one? Hogme kurachun marasign do is I invited him to my apartment. How would I say I invited you to my apartment? Dutch. So the do becomes Dutch for that. Okay. How about if it was? How would instead of do mean for him and Dutch being you? How would I say her? G. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So hogme kurachun marasign G. Okay. And how about if I invited Tomas to my apartment? The Hamas. Yeah, the Hamas. So Hogme Kura Hun Marasign the Hamas. Or you can also say Hogme Kura the Hamas Hun Marasign. Okay? So the word do means for. The Hamas. Okay? But it's just worded differently in Irish, and as that you're giving someone an invitation. Okay?
What was the literal interpretation again?
Okay, so
gave I invitation.
Okay, so gave I invitation to my apartment to him.
Okay.
Except the words to are different words in Irish. Okay? Now, so nura hogsi kura irash hunahar saindo. So when that gave she invitation back to her apartment to him, glakshe lesh gofunwar. So he accepted eagerly. The word glok also has a few different meanings in Irish. Glok combined with le means to accept something. Okay, glok has the idea of taking. Okay. But glok le that means that this person is accepting something. Okay, so glakshe lesh, glakshe he accepted, lesh it. Okay, lesh means it. Okay, in this case. Okay, because lesh comes from le combined with a. And that becomes lesh in Irish. Okay. It's like with me is lom. Le combined with me is lom. Le combined with you is lat. Le combined with a is lesh. So you just have to learn it.
What does lesh mean exactly?
With it. With him, with him or with it. Okay. So glak shelesh is he accepted it. Okay. And gofunwar is eagerly. Yeah. Fun is kind of like a desire to do something, and funwar means with desire or eagerly. Okay. It's an expression in Irish. Well, it's more involved than we want to get into, but it's, if you have fun on you, that means that you want to do something. Okay? All right? So, Nuair a thug sí cura ar ais chuna tharasáin dó, ghlach sé leis go fúnmhar. Okay. That one's a long one. Okay. Give it a go. Dag sé slán ag a chompánaí, ligear nar thug sé sméide sa good righteous go rééis de faoi deara, agus thuirí amach í go dtí an áitin a raibh an Porsche parkáilte aige. So, take a deep breath before you sit down. Okay, so we'll kind of work through it bit by bit. Dag sé slán ag a chompánaí. He said goodbye to his companions. Compánach is a companion. Compánaí are companions. Okay, and a compánaí are his companions. Okay, and you know the word slán because when you say goodbye, you say slán agad or slán lat. Okay, and this is sort of related to that. Is he's leaving, and so he dog means left, so he left his slán with his companions. So you say, if I go away from you, I say slán agad. Okay, and something the idea it's related to this expression actually that I leave my slán meaning like your health or wish for health, whatever. I leave my wish for health with you as I go. So slán agad. So kind of, you can say it longer. Fágam slán agad. I leave health with you or something. Okay. So that's if you want to say someone said goodbye to someone, that's the way you say it. You don't say they said goodbye. They say they left. They leave their health at them. You leave your health at someone. That's the way you say goodbye to someone. Okay, it's not really your health. You just leave health at someone. Okay.
And then
All right.
when I say slán let, that's
Slán
means
let.
you're going, health is
Yeah.
going with you.
Yeah.
As
Right.
you go.
Right. Okay. So dag sé slán ag a chompánaí means he left health at his companions. He said goodbye to his friends. Okay, his companions. Yes, they're not necessarily his friends; they're his companions. Okay. Lig nar thug sé a sméide as a good righteous grace de faoi deara. So he pretended that he didn't notice their winking and their vulgar speech. First of all, the lig is the pretended part. It literally means something like he let on him, or he let on. You can think of it. He let on that he didn't notice all this. Okay? So lig is to pretend to let on. Okay? So look at a few examples there. Sentence A, he pretended to be asleep. Lig she'er go reb she in a chola. So basically, let he on him, that was he in his sleeping. So he let on him that he was sleeping. He pretended to be asleep. Okay? So lig normally means let, but we have the expression to let on in English too, so it kind of makes sense, I guess, from English. Lig here, so he pretended. Now, if you want to say she pretended not to be at home, lig she urhi nach reb she sawalia. So basically, she let on her that she wasn't at home. Okay, lig she urhi. Say, I pretended that I ate the sandwich. Okay, lig me oram gur ihmen capera. So lig me oram, I let on me, or I let on, gur ihme that I ate, and capra the sandwich. Okay?
What's the word to feed?
To feed,
Yeah.
you can say kohi, I guess. Yeah. And then lig me oram nar hula me dada. So I pretended I didn't hear anything. Lig me oram, I let on nar hula me that I didn't hear. Dada, nothing. Dada. Nothing.
Whack.
Means nothing. Yeah. It means
Double negative, I didn't hear nothing.
right. Yeah. Okay. So two things. First of all, just the idea lig. You have to say when someone pretends, you have to say lig, whoever the person who's pretending, and then it has to be on him or on her or on me or on you. And you have to use this form of go, like go rev or nach rev or gur if or nar hula. Okay.
Why doesn't it say lig she there then, up there?
Yeah.
It's understood that it's she because it's talking about dog she slan.
Oh,
So
continuing.
it's continuing on. Okay.
I was wondering how you could get away with that.
Okay, so lig so he pretended nar hogshe that he nar hogshe da 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 fuijara, which means he didn't notice. Okay, so there's 3 different idioms all tied in here. Okay, and idioms are fine. And if you're a native Irish speaker and you had to learn English, then you just go, man, they say things all differently. Which happens to a lot of people when you think about it, right? Okay.
Shanti, was it extremely difficult to put that in the present so I can tell my cat I'm pretending I can't hear it?
Yeah, you have to say "Paimig ligint orem nach glichem hu."
Yes, it's a lesson, this is all I wanted to do.
Okay. All right. So the expression here now is